Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and I'm kind of cleaning out the stash a little bit. And what we have here, we believe, is a 1980 Z1R KZ1000D exhaust. As you can see, it still has the original exhaust gaskets right here where the pipes go on. I don't have the mufflers, but we got beautiful heat shields. Some of the stuff is scratched from shelf damage, but if you see, my finger's perfectly clean here when it was purchased new and this exhaust was moved. But like I say, I don't have the rear pipes. But if you look around, I don't want to do that too much. This is as nice as you're ever going to find. Like I said, there's minor scratches from shelf damage, but I'd say this is like a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and we're going to be off first for sale on eBay. Okay, thank you very much.